Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, including those to Fast Capital 360 and its loan products, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using their services. Fast Capital 360 is a reputable online lending marketplace created to streamline and expedite the process of obtaining business financing. Offering a diverse selection of funding options, it serves small and medium-sized businesses requiring swift access to capital for expansion projects or managing cash flow. Fast Capital 360 specializes in business term loans, lines of credit, merchant cash advances, and equipment financing, providing the adaptability to address a variety of business requirements. Loan amounts vary from $5,000 to $500,000, and applications can be submitted in mere minutes through their intuitive online platform. A key advantage of Fast Capital 360 is its rapid approval process, with funds frequently disbursed within 24 hours of approval. This makes it an excellent choice for businesses facing time-sensitive financial demands. The platform connects borrowers with a network of over 50 lenders, significantly improving the chances of securing a loan tailored to your specific needs. Unlike traditional lenders, Fast Capital 360 assesses eligibility based on various factors, including revenue, time in business, and overall financial health, rather than solely relying on credit scores. This approach opens opportunities for businesses that might not qualify for conventional bank loans but exhibit healthy revenue streams and operational stability. Fast Capital 360 is especially beneficial for business owners who prioritize speed, simplicity, and access to a consolidated marketplace of loan options. The platform maintains transparent pricing, offering clear terms and conditions without any hidden fees. However, it's crucial to carefully examine the terms of each loan type, as some options, like merchant cash advances, may carry higher costs. Before committing to any specific loan product, thorough review and comparison are essential. In summary, Fast Capital 360 presents an outstanding financing solution for small business owners seeking quick and flexible funding coupled with a streamlined application process. Its extensive array of financing options and access to a broad network of lenders make it a dependable resource for businesses needing rapid and efficient capital acquisition. Be sure to check the links in the description below for more details about Fast Capital 360 and determine if it aligns with your business objectives. This comprehensive review aims to provide the clarity needed to make a well-informed financial decision.